Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings, or long press the home screen to go straight to Wallpaper options. This saves time. Once there, tap Wallpaper and select Live Wallpapers or My Wallpapers if you already downloaded one. Make sure to grant storage and media permissions so the phone can access the file, and allow motion access when prompted so the live effect runs on the lock screen. If you have downloaded an MP4 or AOD pack, you can import it from My Wallpapers next. Now select the live wallpaper you want and use Preview to check animation and timing. This ensures it looks right on the lock screen. Once satisfied, tap Apply, then choose Set for lock screen only or for both lock and home screen depending on preference. If Realme offers options like animation speed, loop, or sound, tweak them here. Slower loops save battery while higher fidelity gives a richer look. Make sure the preview shows the lock layout before moving on. Finish by confirming Apply and then lock your phone to verify the live wallpaper runs on the lock screen. This proves the process worked. If the animation does not play, make sure battery optimization is off for the Wallpaper app and that media and motion permissions are still granted. These commonly block playback. If problems persist, reboot the device or reinstall the wallpaper pack. Reinstalling resets metadata and often fixes persistent playback issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.